How to change shipping address on AliExpress order. Open the AliExpress application. Tap on the account icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the option My Orders. If your order has already been confirmed, you'll not be able to edit the address. If your order is not confirmed, you'll be able to find the option for Edit Address. You can tap on it. You can edit the shipping address over here. But if your order has already been confirmed, what you have to do is contact the seller. In the My Order interface, find the order that you want to change the address for. At top, you'll be able to see the seller. Tap on it. You can see the seller's profile. Tap on this option Contact that you can see on the screen. Now drop your message over here. Tap on the message bar. Enter a very polite message mentioning that you want to change the shipping address. Also make sure to mention your new shipping address over here. Tap on the send icon in order to send the message. Now your message will be sent. Now the seller will respond to you and the seller will manually dispatch your order to that particular shipping address. If the seller is unresponsive, what you can do is simply go back. If the order has not been shipped yet, you can cancel the order. For that, follow through the prompts in order to cancel the order. Place the new order with the edited shipping address. If the order is already shipped, what you can do is open the dispute for refund or return. Follow through the prompts in order to return the items. Direct them to pick up the item from where they delivered it. After the refund is completed, you can place the new order with edited shipping address. Like this, you'll be able to change shipping address in AliExpress order. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.